Hello everyone, I'm Lorenzo, the product manager at TIPTOPLASER. In today's rapidly developing laser cleaning industry, every second is crucial. Our machines are compact in size but never compromise on functions, and speed, efficiency, and reliability are all indispensable. To meet your actual needs perfectly, we have launched a targeted machine, and we are proud to introduce our TPC portable series, which is developed specifically for your demands. Every cleaning operation faces different working environments and settings. That's why our TPC portable series comes with a variety of applications for you to choose from. What's more, we support personalization and customization of the machine's exterior, color, and logo. You can make the machine exclusive and unique to yourself, fully tailored to your preferences. No matter what materials you are cleaning, including metal, wire, wood, auto repair parts, or for DIY projects, our TPC portable series delivers excellent quality in all scenarios. You just need to pick the right model that fits your needs, and below other optional solutions and detailed portmeter table for you. Furthermore, the entire series is equipped with our self-developed fifth generation pulse laser cleaning hand, which weighs only 650 grams and can be easily operated with one hand, even for female operators. During the cleaning process, dust particles and pollutants are inevitable, which will contaminate the lens and affect the cleaning efficiency directly. To solve this problem, we have designed an air knife protective device for the cleaning hand. Once connected to the air hose, it can protect the protective lens of the cleaning hand to a great extent. We also offer different cleaning modes for the different materials to match various application scenarios. With the support of our self-developed control system, the dual swing cleaning hand has 12 cleaning modes, which can be switched according to different materials to achieve the optimal cleaning effect. This is all about our brand new TPC portable series. If you are interested, welcome to visit us for one set testing or connect us directly. We look forward to your continued attention. Thank you.